Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have iPad 30 Pro and I want to show you how manage your passwords which your device remember. To manage it, open Settings application and look for your passwords selection, and there you have all passwords which our which our iPad remember. There we have some password option and we can turn on and turn off some function, but to manage something you must tap on password which you want, maybe to our Facebook account, and there we have our username, we have our password. When we click on it, our device shows us password which remember. There we can add note to this password and much more, from which website is it, and there we have set up verification code on changing passwords on this website. After you change something, remember to press done. You can also edit all, on tap on edit and you can edit all. We can share this password to someone using this icon, and that's all. Thanks for watching, bye.